Hi, good morning, my dear students. How are you? Oh, fine. Very good. I'm also fine, my dear. Did you draw pictures of seesaw and swing? Show me. Oh, very good. Oh, super. Excellent. All of you did it well. You are my smart boys and girls. Okay. Oh, then do you like stories? Do you like stories? Yes. Very good. Now I am going to show you a video of a story. It's a story of dove and ant. Story of dove and ant. I think it's a familiar story. It's a familiar one. And let's watch the video of the story. Okay. Let's watch.
An ant fell into the water. A dove spotted the struggling ant. She broke a leaf and threw it near the ant. Ant climbed gratefully onto it and lay there too exhausted to thank the dove. A few weeks later, a hunter came to the forest to snare some birds. He spread his nets and settled down to wait quietly for his first victim. The ant who was passing by saw these preparations. Just then, she saw the dove flying swiftly towards one of the hunter's nets. The ant quickly hit the hunter on his toe and made him cry loudly in pain.
Oh, you! Oh my God!
The dove looked down to see where the noise was coming from and noticed the hunter and his nets. She flew away to another part of the forest. The ant went back about her daily business.
Oh, dear students, did you enjoy the story? Did you enjoy? Yes, it's a familiar story. I can see your smiling face. I can see your smiling face. It's a familiar story. It's very nice story of dove and ant. Okay. Dear students, do you remember our Ben and Son? Do you remember? Look, Ben and Son. Ben and Son. They are smiling. They are smiling. Oh, it's a nice picture. It's a nice picture. Then what happened them? What happened them? Yes, our Ben and Son sat on the seesaw. Ben and Son sat on the seesaw. Then what happened? What happened? Yes, our Son goes up. Son goes up. Our poor Ben falls down to the ground. Our poor Ben falls down to the ground. Okay. And dear children, all of you take your notebook. All of you take your notebook. Listen to the board. Listen to the board. What happened? Our Son? Yes, our Son goes up. Our Son goes, our sun goes up. Okay, read it. Sun goes up. Okay, read it. Once again. Sun goes up. Sun goes up. Okay, and you write in your notebook. This you write in your notebook. Finish? Yes. Sun goes up. Then what happened? Yes. Then what happened? Our poor Ben falls down on the ground. Poor Ben falls down on the ground. Okay, listen to the board, all of you. Listen to the board. A poor Ben falls down on the ground. Read it. Ben falls down on the ground. Okay. Read once again. Ben falls down on the ground. Okay. And write in your notebook. Okay. Write in your notebook. Okay. Finish? Yes. Then what happened? Then what happened? A person falls on the leaf of a tree. A person falls on the leaf of a tree. What is it mean by leaf? You know it very well. Yes, leaf. Ila. Okay. Then a sun falls on the leaf of a tree. Sun falls on the leaf of a tree. Okay, read it once again. Sun falls on the leaf of a tree. Tree means, oh, you know it very well. Yes, maram. Sun falls on the leaf of a tree. And write in your notebook. Finish? Yes. Very good. Our poor Ben falls on the grass. Yes, students. Our poor Ben falls on the grass. Our poor Ben falls on the grass. Okay, read it. Ben falls on the grass. Read it once again. Ben falls on the grass. What do you mean by grass? Yes, pulle. Alle. Okay, write in your notebook. Ben falls on the grass. Okay, finish. Finish. Yes. Then what happened out Ben and Sun? What happened? Yes. Then our Sun looks down and look here. Who is this? Yes, this is Ben and this is Sun. Our Sun looks down. Sun looks down and our Ben looks up. Okay, listen to the picture. Our Ben looks up and our Sen looks down. Okay, our Ben looks down. Ben looks down. Look our Ben and Sen. Sen looks down. Sen looks down. Our Ben looks up. Our Ben looks up. Listen, my dear students. Listen here. And Ben looks up. Our Ben looks up and Sen looks down. അവര് ബെന്നെ മുകളിലേക്കും സെന്നെ താഴേക്കുമാണ് നോക്കുന്നത്, അല്ലേ? അതെ. നീ നോക്കൂ. Then what happened? Our poor Ben and Sen, they are crying. They are crying. They became sad. Then Ben and Sen is also sad. Ben is sad and Sen is sad. Then what happened? Listen. A dewdrop on the leaf sees Sen crying. Dewdrop on the leaf sees. A dewdrop on the leaf sees Sen crying. Okay, dewdrop, you know, dewdrop. മഞ്ഞുതുള്ളി, അല്ലേ? Dewdrop on the leaf sees Sen crying. Dewdrop on the leaf sees Sen crying. Okay, my dear children, our Ben and Sen is sad. Ben is sad. Ben is sad. Our Sen is also sad. Ben is sad. Sen is sad. Ben is sad. Sen is sad and Ben is sad. Okay, read it. Read once again. Sen is sad and Ben is sad. And write in your notebook. Sen is sad and Ben is sad. Okay, sad means sangadam, alle? Okay. Okay, finish. Okay. Then what happened? A dewdrop. Listen here. Who is this? Yes, dewdrop. The dewdrop means മഞ്ഞുതുള്ളി. He is smiling. He is smiling. Dewdrop on the leaf sees Sen crying. Dewdrop on the leaf sees Sen crying. Listen, my dear students. Dewdrop on the yellow leaf sees Sen crying. Dewdrop on the yellow leaf sees Sen crying. Okay, and read it, my dear students. Read it. The dewdrop on the leaf sees Sen crying. ആര് കണ്ടു? ആ ഡ്യൂഡ്രോപ്പ് ഓൺ ദ ലീഫ്, ആ ലീഫിൻ്റെ അല്ലേ തൊട്ട് ആ ടിപ്പിൽ അല്ലേ അറ്റത്തിരുന്ന ആ ഡ്യൂഡ്രോപ്പ് കണ്ടു, മഞ്ഞുതുള്ളി കണ്ടു. ആര് കരയുന്നത്? സൺ കരയുന്നത് കണ്ടു അല്ലേ. ദ ഡ്യൂഡ്രോപ്പ് ഓൺ ദ ലീഫ് സീസ് സൺ ക്രൈയിങ്. Okay, write in your notebook, my dear students. Okay, write the dewdrop on the leaf sees sun crying. Okay, once again, the dewdrop on the leaf sees sun crying. And read it. Yes, the dewdrop on the leaf sees sun crying. Crying in the crying. Yes, crying. Dewdrop on the leaf sees sun crying. And then dewdrop says, why are you crying? Why are you crying? Dewdrop asks, why are you crying? Yes. Then our sun is crying, help me, help me, help me, help me, take me down, help me, help me, take me down. എന്നെ താഴത്തേക്ക് എത്തിച്ചാലും അല്ലേ ആ എന്നും പറഞ്ഞ് ഭയങ്കര കരച്ചിലാണ് നമ്മുടെ സൺ. Our dewdrop says, don't worry. Dewdrop says, don't worry, son. Don't worry. I will help you. I will help you. എന്താ പറഞ്ഞത്? ഞാൻ നിന്നെ സഹായിക്കാം. I will help you. A dewdrop on the leaf sees sun crying. A dewdrop on the leaf sees sun crying. Why are you crying, son? Why are you crying? Then our son says, help me, take me down. Help me, take me down. Help me, take me down. എന്താ പറഞ്ഞത്? പറയൂ, നിങ്ങൾ പറയൂ. ഹെൽപ്പ് മീ, എന്നെ സഹായിക്കൂ, എന്നെ താഴത്തേക്ക് ഇറക്കൂ എന്നാണ് ആര് പറയുന്നത്? യെസ്, സൺ സേസ് ഹെൽപ്പ് മീ, ടേക്ക് മീ ഡൗൺ. ഹെൽപ്പ് മീ, ടേക്ക് മീ ഡൗൺ. ഓക്കെ, റൈറ്റ് ഇൻ യുവർ നോട്ട്ബുക്ക്. Help me, take me down. Okay, once again. Help me, take me down. Okay, write in your notebook. Finish. Very good. Then our dewdrop says, don't worry, I will help you. ഞാൻ നിന്നെ സഹായിക്കാം. Dewdrop says, don't worry, my dear son. Don't worry, my dear son. I will help you. I will help you. ഞാൻ നിന്നെ സഹായിക്കാം. Okay, I will help you. ഞാൻ നിന്നെ സഹായിക്കാം. Okay, read it. Don't worry, I will help You, I will help you. Okay, once again you read. Don't worry, I will help you. നിന്നെ സഹായിക്കാം. Okay, write down in your notebook. Okay, write down. Finish? Yes, you are good children. You are smart children. Then our Dewdrop says, come with me, come with me. Dewdrop says, come with me. നീ എൻ്റെ കൂടെ പോരല്ലേ, നീ എൻ്റെ കൂടെ വാ, ഞാൻ നിന്നെ സഹായിക്കാം. Let's jump down to the yellow leaf. Where is yellow leaf? Look at the picture. Then let's jump down to the yellow leaf. Dewdrop says, let's jump down to the yellow leaf. Yellow leaf, you see in the picture. Okay. Then what happened? Sun and Dewdrop jump down on the yellow leaf. Or Sun and Dewdrop jump down on the yellow leaf. Okay. Okay. Then what happened? The yellow leaf floats in the air. Look at the picture. The yellow leaf floats in the air. അല്ലേ, ഒഴുകി നടക്കുകയാണല്ലേ രണ്ടുപേരും. കണ്ടോ? Look at the picture. Then what happened? The dewdrop, the ant and yellow leaf come down. താഴേക്ക് എത്തി അവർ രണ്ടുപേരും. കണ്ടോ? The yellow leaf with the sun and the dewdrop falls near Ben. The yellow leaf with sun and the dewdrop falls near our sun. Look at the picture. Our Ben says, are you okay? Are you okay? Yes, I am okay. I am okay. Says, who says? Yes, Sun says, I am okay. They became happy. They became happy. Ben and Sun are happy now. They dance and sing. They dance and sing together. They became happy. They became happy. Many ants joins them. അവരുടെ സന്തോഷത്തിൽ ഒരുപാട് ഉറുമ്പുകൾ ചേർന്നു. അവരെന്ത് ചെയ്തു? They dance and sing together. They dance and sing together. Okay, my dear children, in the next class, you should draw the picture of a dewdrop and yellow leaf. Okay, don't forget and send to me. Okay, bye.